for now, we do not have a manifest template available on Shopee on Seller Center yet. So it's best for you to prepare it yourself. And you can check out the list of details here. So in order to prepare your manifest, you can do it two ways. The first one is by using a barcode scanner. And this is most recommended a wide range of products and like multiple orders coming at once. So for campaign, this is very recommended. So you have to purchase a barcode scanner, so that is a con because you have to spend money there. But I promise you, it will make things much easier for you. Set up and install a scanner into your PC, and then you can scan the tracking number of each pack parcel. Once you pack them, you can scan the tracking number, and it will be linked to the Excel sheet, and you can print it out. Okay, and then make sure that the 3PL staff stamp and sign on the manifest. So this is the most important step you have to take. Once you are at the branch, so let's say I don't know GMP, Post Laju, Java, and whatever, or if they do come to your place to pick up, make sure that they stamp on your manifest. Make sure that there's a legitimate, like eligible stamp on your manifest, and make sure they sign it. So that is the proof for you. There is a proof that you have sent out your items to them. It is not on you anymore if anything happens with the item. So in order to do it manually, you can download the process order from Seller Center. And then you can copy the order ID and tracking number and paste it into the manifest template. It's a bit more work compared to using a barcode scanner, but this is much better if you are a small seller who are only starting out and you don't have like much money to go around and buy a barcode scanner. So this is recommended. Whatever you do, just make sure you have it. You prepare a manifest. You can also write it like by hand. You can print out the template and write it by hand, which would be much harder than just like copy and pasting, but whatever works for you, works. Okay, and there's a manifest template here. Oh, we actually do have a manifest template here. You can click on the link on the seller text box. Okay, and then this is the Post Laju pickup drop-off form, which is called PL9. This can be obtained at any Post Laju branches, and since the name is PL9, it is only for Post Laju, unfortunately. So this can be used to replace the manifest. So with Post Laju, there's no need for you to print out your own manifest. You can just use this one, and it must be presented together with your parcel during drop-off or pick-up. And you have to make sure that the tracking numbers are recorded. So one thing that sellers do sometimes is they don't bother to write out the tracking number. Okay, I know that it's hard. Like, it's not hard, I know that it's pretty more fun to do it, like it's pretty annoying to write down each tracking number. But think of the long term, or think of how good of a preventive measure this is. We've had sellers who just put like total 20 packages, but then when one of the packages went missing, you don't have anything to back you up. So it's very important for you to write down each tracking number as clear as possible. So if one of them got missing, got lost, you can match the tracking number exactly to the PL form. So since it's a very, I know it's a very annoying thing to do, but it will really save your, in the future. Okay? So this is a step-by-step fulfillment preparation. The first one is to have your stock ready at least 1 to 2 weeks before the campaign. So since our campaign will take place on 3/3, that gives us like 1 week and a half. Okay, so this is a good time for you to get started and make sure you gather all of your stocks. Second one is to allocate stock specifically for Shopee's orders. So I know that some sellers sell on multiple platforms. So some of you might sell on Shopee and also on the other platform. I would recommend you to update your Seller Center with the Shopee specified stocks, because what has happened here is the seller might have like 100 items. So they update like 100 stock count on Shopee and also 100 stock count on a different platform, which is not accurate because your total stock is 100. If you put 100 on Shopee and 100 on another platform, it gives an impression that your total stock count is 200. So if you have 100 and you want to or if you do want to divide it, then just put 50 in Shopee or 70. It depends on you, but make sure that whatever stock you put on your seller center is allocated strictly for Shopee. Because there have been cases where you put 10, you have 10 items, you put 10 on Shopee and also 10 on the other platform, and then someone on Shopee wants to buy 10 of them. But then you cannot sell it to them because at the same time on the other platform, one person wants to buy 3 of them. So now you don't have enough. So that will be a problem. Okay. And then number 3, store campaign product in the same area or rack. So this helps if you already have a designated section. And it will help if you follow our previous class and using business insight to strategize. It will help for you to recognize which of these are top selling items. So you will be able to put them in this. Okay. Number 4, prepare packing area and tools for packing. So this is just making sure that you have enough space to go around. You have enough space for all of your staff. And then make sure your staff are familiar with Shopee pick list before campaign. That is number 5. So it will be useful to have a meeting or a briefing where you just explain to them, hey, this is what we're going to do. This is the document we're going to use so that they are aware. And then number 6, print out pick list and assign person in charge. Number 7, print and group and ability to match user order ID. Number 8, pack product properly. Number 9, schedule timeline of picking pack. Number 10, prepare a manifest. So step 1 to 5 is mostly your preparation step, but 6 to 10 is all about what you should do after you bought the orders. Okay? Yes, Alicia, I can see that. Okay. Next, sub-account platform. So this is the second topic, and this will also be short, but it's okay because after this I will allocate time for you for a quick Q&A session. And then for sub-account platform, so what it is actually a multi-shop and multi-room management system. So it allows seller to set up multiple accounts with different permission for different shops to perform the operation. So this is for you guys who have a big, let's say you have a big company, not company-wise, maybe you have a big shop and then you have smaller shops underneath it. It is the same company, all of them in the same company. So you want different people to be in charge of your different shops. So you can create you can join a sub-account platform and create and link your shops together. So this is what a sub-account platform allows you to do. So our sellers can have a team of members to manage different shop functions, decoration, shipping instruction, and more tailored to each shop. And then sellers can segregate the duties of their staff and workers with one web browser at one glance. Process flow for sub-account platform. So you have this one main account created by seller. So let's assume that the seller is the boss, and then you will have different members account. So for the first member, you can allow that person to, organize the admin department and also response to chat, because we want to keep the CRR high, people. We want to keep the CRR really excellent. And then for members, number 2, they can be in charge of finance for shop B and C. Number 3, they can be in charge of chats for shop A, B, C. So from this diagram, it shows that the sellers have 4 separate shops on Shopee, but they are binding it under the same platform. Okay, right? So you have one staff who's in charge of different shops and different tasks. You have which is admin number 1, and then you have number 2 and 3 who are in charge of the same tasks for different shops. So you can also have one member who's in charge of admin and chat for one shop. That is also possible. So it's very versatile. You can delegate tasks however you want. So okay, for the tips, main account has all the rights to grant information to each staff member, and the main account allows access to all shops with only one web browser. So you will be controlling all of your shops from one page, which is on the seller center. very convenient. So what is main and member account? Main account is the main admin control. It has the ability to create, preview, and edit member accounts. So while for member account, they are accounts that are created by main accounts, and you can only use the feature share and set by the main account. So it's basically like boss and staff accounts. Okay. And what are the function of main account and member account? So you can refer to this diagram over here, and you can see that for main account, they basically have all your access. But for member account, you cannot create other accounts, you cannot segregate roles, and you cannot delete and edit access for other people. But you have limited access if not given by the main account. So it's just a lot like Google Drive access, like the owner of the drive, and then who can view, who can comment. It's like pretty much the same level of that with affiliation. So I'm at the end of my presentation. So I will start answering questions before I go and promote our Shopee Uni community. But let me check the chat first. So let's say I have only one shop and I wish to give certain access to my staff to arrange, pick and pack orders. Should I use also sub account platform? So Alicia, for arranging, picking and packaging orders is more towards the physical process. It's more. I don't think they need like an account access for that, because they can always for account access you can be the one who knows all the templates and such, and you can pass it to them. So account is more about arranging like responding to chat, arranging your finance, arranging administration. You can also give them access if you want them to be in charge of shipment. So all of the admin stuff. But for picking and packing, it would be like, I would assume it's like a physical thing and you don't need like account access for that. So hi Yaslina, it's your first time joining Shopee class. Hi, I hope it will be your last to come back. We have 2 classes tomorrow, a weekend class, so do join that. Member account also need their phone number if the member also has their own shop and how to manage mine. For this, you can chat on the shop sub account portal as I am not very sure. And then we can start using pictures and inspiration for programs. Oh yeah, I understand your concern. So for your parents to have pictures and chicken problems. True, I agree with that. But I think that's not something that can be solved through sub account though. So okay, let me promote the Shopee community first so that you guys can go if any of you